Hello students, today we will start with a new lesson, Revati's musical plants. Now students, this lesson is a very big lesson, so we will have to continue it in the next lecture also. Okay, so we will start with the warming up. All of y'all books open, page number 16. Yeah, now in the warming up, discuss in groups and share your answers with the class. Of course, see now also I will share some answers. You all can just recollect, okay, because you all have heard about all this in the previous chapters or in history lesson. First of all, this can you name the famous musician in Emperor Akbar's court? Of course, everyone will know the answer. It's who? Tansen. 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 Who could perform miracles when he sang different ragas? Now you might be knowing the different ragas that he sang. Yes, like Rag Deepak, where the lamps got lit by itself soon as he sang the Rag Deepak. Then Rag Malhar, yes, rain started falling. Rag Malkos, which animals also used to gather to hear. Okay, and in this way different ragas was sung by him. What miracles could he perform with his music? I told you when he sang the Rag Deepak, of course, lamps lit. When he sang the Rag Malhar, yes, rain started falling. When he sang Rag Malkos, even the animals would gather to hear the music. What impact does music have on human beings? Now tell me students, who would not like to hear music? Every one of us. Yes, and even you might be knowing music also affects plants. Yes, here in the next question it is there. Do you think music can have impact on animal, birds and even plants? Of course, when Tansen sang the Rag Malkaus, yes, the animals would gather to hear. You might have seen Shri Krishna, yes, Bhagwan Krishna. He used to play the flute. All the cattle is to gather around him to hear the music. Birds is to sit, perch on the trees, yes, to hear his music. And even plants. You all might have seen farmers when they are cultivating their crops. Cultivating means growing their crops or tending their crops. They keep on singing. Till now we have seen only in movies how the farmers sing songs and all. Why they sing? It is a truth that plants grow better when the farmers sing. He gets a better yield. Yes, and that is why they keep on singing as they work. And of course, when you work on human beings, as I told you, when we hear music, we feel very nice, peaceful. In fact, even in foreign countries, they have proved that even music has effect on unborn babies. Yes, or when the babies are small, they put earphones and very mild music is played, and the babies go to sleep very nicely, peacefully, and they grow better. Okay, and birds and animals also, plants also, all have a great inclination towards music. Now here in this lesson, Revati's musical plants. Now Revati is a girl, okay, and she is a student of music, means she loves to play music. Which musical instrument she will play? She plays the violin, okay, and you know violin is played in different tunes. Yes, just as the guitar is played in different tunes, rhythms, same way violin, all musical instruments are played in different tunes. And Revati also has a very favorite tune to play. We will see in the lesson. Okay, now going to the lesson. Revati was a student of music. Now what do you mean by student of music? Means she was learning music. Okay, and of course, means she used to go to school also, but playing music means playing the violin was a hobby, and she was learning it also. She was happy playing on her violin whenever she was free. Now you know what is a violin? Yes, it's a musical instrument which is played, and it is a very important musical instrument. There was a small open courtyard. Courtyard means the front portion of the house. Now you might be knowing in villages or in some places, the houses are cottage type houses. Yes, or the front part of the house, जो आंगन रहता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कोर्टयार्ड. What is a courtyard? घर के सामने जो आंगन रहता है, that is a courtyard. In front of a house with a small cement bench. Now there was a bench where she used to sit. That was her favorite place, and she used to play the violin. She would sit on the bench and practice on her violin. There were a few potted plants in the courtyard. Now you know what are potted plants? Plants which are kept in pots. Yes, and these plants, yes, they were kept near the wall. Let us see. Potted plants in the courtyard. While playing on her violin one day, she noted a pot of balsam plants near the wall. Now, balsam is a type of plant. It's not very big, small plant which has pink or white flowers. Yes, growing on them. Yes, and mostly in gardens and all you will see them. Near the wall, the plants were not looking normal. Now, what do you mean by not looking normal? See, you can see in the first line it is the plants were near the wall. Now, near the wall means there was no sunlight coming to the plants, and that is why the plants were not looking normal. That shows they were not growing well, or the leaves were not looking healthy. They had pale green leaves. Pale means the leaves were not bright green. Now you know, you all have learnt in science that plants need sunlight, yes, to prepare their food, photosynthesis. Yes, so these leaves were looking pale green, means not at all like greenish, they were yellowish green, and their growth was stunted. The growth also was very slow. It was looking short, the plant, not to its normal height. She remembered she had learnt in the lower classes that plants need light for normal growth. Now what light? Sunlight. Yes. She shifted the pot to the center of the courtyard. Now Revati did a very wise thing here. What did she do? She took the pots and she placed it in the center of the courtyard where there was ample sunlight. Ample means plenty of sunlight. Please take a pencil in your hand and mark the meanings. So where there was ample sunlight. What means ample? Plenty, lot of sunlight. While shifting the pot, an idea struck Revati. Okay, now as she was shifting the pot to the center of the courtyard, suddenly she got an idea. Why not participate in the best plant contest, which was to be held in a colony a few weeks later? Now you know, students, see, during Navratri also we have the Aarti Thali competition, decoration, then some or the other competitions keep on taking place, okay, during festivals and all. And of course, in many parts, in villages or in some towns, they have the best plant competition. Okay, so there was going to be a best plant competition contest. Contest means what? Competition. Where? In her colony. Yes, which was going to take place a few weeks later. Yes, so here we come to know Revati has plenty of time. Why plenty of time? Because she may be thinking of taking part in the competition. And let us see what preparations she is going to do to take part in the competition. Okay, because see students, if you take part in competition, you have to do some preparation. Okay, so now she is thinking of taking part, and She is going to prepare herself for the competition. Let us see how she is going to prepare herself. We will see in the next.